And here we go. Such expectation and anticipation inside the stadium. Nothing comes of it. It'll be a goal kick. That was a crucial interception, he can be pleased with that. Needs to deliver here. Did really well to win it there. That's a swing! Saw him in space and he's found him. Keeper only just got to that. Good save.
He got it on target, but the keeper was up to it.
Corner given, it's an opportunity. Who could reach it? It wasn't pretty, but they've got it away. Oh, he thought he'd have a go. It was a bit of a miss-hit and he knows it.
Well, you can't waste chances like that, especially as I don't know how many they're going to get.
Anyukov. Moravsky.
Showing real speed and ability here. Look at the space he's got here. He'll shoot.
Fernando.
Bernard.
I think he caught him there. It is a free kick. Not a good pass, intercepted quickly. It's a real threat about their attacking play at present. Problems here if he can get a cross in. He's made a great run here. Has a crack.
Teixeira. Bernard.
Using his strength here.
Brown.
That tackle was all about timing. Defender only just got back there to make the interception. They're giving up possession far too easily here.
Rakitic. Danny.
Bernard.
Andrei Arshavin.
Both teams just looking to break play up whenever they can.
Moravsky. Danny.
He's giving them all kinds of problems. In the box. He'll try his luck. What a save. Didn't just stop it, he hung on to it too.
Oh, Clive, it was a fine effort, but what a save.
Fernando.
Oh, can he get a shot in? Oh, they have taken the lead in this one. Oh yes, picked his stop.
He's given no chance. A wonderful, wonderful goal.
They've got rapid. And away we go, 1-0. Read it well and made the tackle. Now, can he pick out the right pass? It's opened up. Good keeping. That took some stopping. Have to be alert there, the goalkeeper.
Bernard. Teixeira.
He's got past him. Let's fly. Oh, he's put it away! Oh, they're right back in this! Great finish, straight into the net.
Well, it's a fantastic response to goal. What a goal.
A one-goal lead never seems quite enough, and so it has proved. Nothing. Now we've got a game on our hands. It's a game that really could go either way. You just wouldn't know now. Fernando. And Yukov.
You get the impression that the players are settled. They want to pass it, they want to move the ball. That's important. They want to keep possession. That's important.
Look at the players are throwing forward to attack. Trying to make the most of the wings. Now, can he take the chance? Can he take the chance? Oh, yes, it's there! And a goal! They've got their noses in front. That was great football all round. Such a good one. And a finish to match.
Well, he's got the last defender to beat him, he did, and he slotted it home beautifully.
That's football, just when you're sure you know what's going to happen. It is a goal that has got their noses in front. Not by much. Is it by enough? Can he get the ball in?
Now, here's a chance. Goes for goal. That's half time. What caught your eye in that first half, Andy?
When the ball spends as much time as it's done in midfield today, it's no surprise the scoring is low.
It's a tight game. It's 2-1 at half time. The first half has set the tone. Let's see what the second half brings. One or two fans still making their way back to their seats, but we are underway for this second half.
Teixeira.
That was well cut out, wasn't it?
Qalocomotive.
Promising. Shoots. Still an opportunity. One or two worried looks on faces that looked quite content a moment ago. A spring in the step of others who were looking weary. That's changed things a lot. They've stolen the ball back.
Javi Garcia.
Can he beat the keeper? Big chance! And it's in! No, just missed!
You can't get much closer than that. So close.
Fernando.
He won the ball cleanly.
Fernando.
Teixeira.
I've done so well to regain possession.
Adriano.
Can he score? Opening here. He's made a bit of a hash of that. It was well wide.
Yeah, it's all about decision making, and he made the wrong one. He shouldn't have taken the shot on from that bad position.
Andrei Arshavin.
He's given them plenty of penetration down the flanks. He says that's a foul. look at that for a pass. He's had a go. Oh, what a hit! Now they're up against it.
What a good goal that was. He's such an opportunist.
Well, you can't score goals like that unless you're a good player. You need to know where to go, you need to know where to be. And when the ball arrives, you need to know how to finish.
It's an advantage that allows them to play these closing stages the way that...
We've really got a game on our hands now. 3-2 the score. He's always looking for space, always looking for a pass.
Is this the chance? Shot of goal!
Important tackle. There's a gap here.
Garay.
The timing was out on that tackle.
Well, they've got a chance here. It's certainly within range.
Just a little tight there.
Javi Garcia. Brown. Adriano.
Not a good pass, easily cut out.
Moravsky. Kezhikov.
Oh, he had to make that tackle.
Fernando.
Now keeping the ball well.
Javi Garcia.
Oh, he's lost it. There were possibilities there. He's stolen the march on the defenders here. Solid challenge. Defender just got back to make the interception. Trying to make the most of the wings. Now, can he take the chance? Saved by the bar. He's giving them all kinds of problems.
And Yukov. Brown.
What a try! He's capable of much better than that.
Well, I'm not surprised. Nowhere to go. He needed to be a bit more patient, try and work some space.
That was a poor finish considering the time he had. He rushed it a bit.
Bernard.
Shielding the ball from the defender. Not found anyone with that pass.
And Yukov.
I don't know who that ball was for. It's their ball again.
Brown.
Still got time for an equaliser, but not much time. This is a chance. Now here's an opening. He's got away from them. He's through on goal. He really got stuck in there, won it well. Good interception. Just a minute of stoppage time to add on. And the keeper is first to the ball.
Kezhikov.
Needs to pick the right cross. Oh, that was a rather unpleasant challenge.
Now, what's the most important thing from a free kick from here? I'll tell you what it is, it's delivery. Put a good ball in there and get your players after it.
Now, what can they make of this? Giving them plenty to worry about here. Back in safekeeping. The referee blows. You can't ask for more than that. That is a marvellous result, one they can be proud of.
We certainly got our money's worth today. It was a really good game. I think a draw was a fair result.
I'd like to take this opportunity on behalf of EA Sports to say well done and thanks for joining us. It's been a pleasure as always. Let's do it again soon. I'd like to thank Andy Gray for his assistance during this game. From all of us here at EA Sports, thanks for watching and we'll see you all next time.